Menteri Joko Jala Meghalaya Ubadikmi Ketenat Umbam Umdi Marcus N. Marak Hene Kesngi Karupra Terik Undaiwing Harjar Arpsau Harangkat ke Officer Sorkar Ulahiar Shamokrwat Southwest Kasil District Balai Jurep Yaki Kato Keni Kejing Pentrekam Yaka Skim Jal Jivan Mission Bat Yaka Swach Bharat Mission Hakaba Ulai Jurep Nengkong Yaka Jaka Penang Hak Shinong Mountain Kabadai Ka Greater Mokrwat Water Supply Scheme Bat lalap bagi jingtai kimpat syamla dep satya bat kidangnya cakmat kumjuru ke Shinong Nonglang ulalej banjurep iki kato keni ki longyeng lalap baka kalapoi hadu ki yingbreu but saha kawa sala ha ka ba kadai ka checkdam ni ka telong bantan na ka benta ka Greater Mokrwat Water Supply Scheme kamsyam pada dep satya bat ka jingtrai kalanangnya cakmat hadin bagi lalej jurep iki kato keni ki jingtai Kaladon ru kejing ya kenduk lang Circuit House Laj Lausang harangkat ki officer sorkar ki bakentup nadu Deputy Commissioner Ubak B Maulong ki Executive Engineer PhD na lightly ki district kedak Southwest West Kasils but Eastern West Kasils district.
You are happy? No, have this one photo. Okay. Ready?
Kumni pin hap sedang ban nok senyang nok ngi hasor ngi nok senyang. San po tingka sispa tingka long ngi ngim ong ba pin bud ing jing sispa. Kan po lai po. Na ka tu ka jing nok senyang pin siu yu plam ba. Dan ki sniu ki pipe ki hap sei na ka tu ban sha ka PhD kam nok. Mo. Hap ban ki kai. Em kata akin saya dan dan kejingan kadon kejil buat hap kadon em kata hador bat kan di tang BWSC
Is she aware of the timings?
Yeah.
They all know. You need ask. Electricity.
kanu biji PO nadu kanu biji tu kan nyau baje pa baje saya adu kau baje
Does it come as per the timings?
Piwan man kasi PO man kasi long put sini put sini PO put sini tambah filai itu
Oh. Come. Honor, na?
Biar Pak
Since when? Can you ask? 1 year only. Satisfied? I was rescued by Jimmy. By people. I put stuck for us. 3-4 hours. It is a pumping scheme.
Youth PhD department with regard to Jal Jeevan Mission and SBMG here in the 3 districts, Eastern West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills and then West Khasi Hills. So far in my review, I found the works are going on in full swing and most of the projects are getting completed and then functionality of the projects are here very good, and very good thing is that we get less complaints from the people here. So I'm very happy. I have wished congratulations to all the officers here. Those are working very hard, and then under SBMG we need to push a little more with regard to solid liquid waste management. So therefore we have decided today's meeting that all the district officers, those are working in the ground, they'll be working very hard with the guidance from Deputy Commissioner. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.